Hello students, now we will learn how to draw the parabola using rectangle method. The given dimensions of the parabola, base size is 120 millimeter and height or length along the axis is 180 millimeter. So rectangle method, we will construct a rectangle with 120 millimeter base size and 120 height. So I will draw the rectangle. So I will draw the 120 into two parts, 60, then one more 60 I will draw. Okay, then height 180, then 120, then 180. So I will divide this rectangle into two. So from the 60 mm line I will draw the vertical line. I will divide the rectangle into two of. Now I will divide the 60 mm line into equal number of parts. Say here I am dividing into 6 equal parts. So for that I am dividing the 60 mm line, okay, into 6 equal parts using the command divide. Divide, select the 60 mm line, enter the number of segments 6, enter. Now it is visible, not visible, since the point style is a single point dot, it is not visible. Hence I am changing the point style. DTP type command use to change the point style from point to any other style. I am selecting this style and size kept in absolute units. Okay, now the point is changed. Okay, so from this point I will draw the vertical line. Okay, so I will draw the vertical line. So this line I am copying for the remaining points also. Through all the points I will draw the vertical line. I am simply copy and paste the vertical line. Okay, similar number. Okay, now I divided the base half of the base 60 mm into equal number of segments. Same way I will divide the vertical line height of the parabola into equal number of segments, same equal number of segments, say 6. Okay, so I am dividing the vertical line. Divide the 180 mm line into 6 equal number of segments, enter. Okay, now the points already be chosen so that the points are appearing. Now I will give the naming to these points. Okay, so first selecting the 60 mm line, 60 mm base line, text, enter, and justify style I am starting from the left extreme. Point height is text height is 5 mm, enter. Text angle is 0, enter. Then I am giving the point name here A, B, I am zooming little bit, B, Z, D, E. Okay, similarly I am going to give the numbering to the vertical line. Okay, so 180 mm line also I am starting from the base. Okay, from the A. So I am giving here, for example, giving different name, deleting this. Two, 3, 4, 5, click outside, enter. Okay, so this I am changing into 1. Okay, now I will draw the line. Okay, so I will give the namings to other points also. Text, using text command, text, I am giving the name here. For example, this is 5 mm height, text angle is 0, so this point is, for example, capital A, this is B, C, D, E and F. Click outside, enter. Okay, so now what I am going to do, from in the vertical line 1, the vertical line point number 1, I will draw the line and I will connect the line to the point E. Okay, so this 1 E line intersect A, line A. Okay, so here I will get the intersection point. So here I will place the point. point, and here in the intersection I will place the point. Okay, so next I will draw the line from point 2 towards E, connected to the E. So this line intersect the line from B. Okay, so here intersect here. So here I am giving the point, the intersection point I am noting down. Same procedure I will continue for the remaining points 3, 4 and 5. 3 to E intersection point, I am going to place the point point. Next continue from point 4 to E, disable the ortho. So from 4, so here A, B, C, D. Okay, so D point. So here I need to, this is the intersection point. Similarly from E, from E I draw the line connecting the, 5 to E. That will intersect the vertical line. That will intersect the E line here. I place a point here. Okay, now I did for one part. Okay, so half of the parabola I constructed. So these are all the points of the points passing through the locus. These are the locus points for the parabola through which we will construct the parabola, and same this half we will mirror it, okay, with respect to the vertical line. So you can follow the same procedure and construct right side also. For simplicity purpose, I am mirroring the points. Okay, I am mirroring the points whatever I plotted. Locus points for the parabola I am selecting and mirror with respect to the vertical line. Now all the points I selected, enter, and then next it is asking specify first point of mirror line. This vertical line is a mirror line. Okay, so E and B is the mirror line. Now it is asking erase source object, yes or no. No is a default answer. Okay, so we will keep it. Now we will get the points for constructing the parabola. So now using the spline command I will construct the parabola. So this is the base. A is the base point for the parabola. From here I am starting the spline, and consecutive points I am selecting for constructing the parabola. So E I have to select, that is the highest point in the parabola. Then remaining points I am selecting, that I mirrored on the right side. C is the last point. Then you keep the point outside and then double enter. Okay, so this is your required parabola. Then select the parabola, go to the line weight settings, select the line weight into 0.3. Okay, so next select it and display line weight settings, display line weight. Okay, point 0.3, even you select a higher value, 0.4 I am selecting and changing the color. Okay, next to do the annotation. Height of the linear dimension, select dimension the height of the parabola, then dim linear base. Okay, I am changing the properties for this to normal bilayer. Okay, so this is your required parabola.